revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube? ZX Predator here, and being that it's winter, we're about to hit December, and not a lot of riding content, but I do have stock footage that will be going up. I always trickle that out during the off season, but what I did want to let y'all know, I was gonna put that cover on, but I didn't have the glass, so I had to wait for about a month and a half for the sight glass to come in. So that'll probably be later on. But for those who run these, let me know, because I'm getting like conflicting reports in terms of, oh, they leak, oh, they're great, so on and so forth. I mean, if any of you own this cover, the clear cover, leave a comment in the section below. Just give me your testimonials with that, because that looks cool and all, but this one looks a little sexier. I'm just saying. But yeah, they're doing an unboxing for another product. I'm experimenting here, so reason for that is I just wanted to see a different style. I've seen some other folks on a low key not really put this out there. I saw some SmackDown videos from known individuals, and I said, let me go and do some research and see if I can find that for my bike, and lo and behold, I did. Oh, I will also direct your attention to some winglets that I got. I know the ZX12 comes with them. I don't know why the 14 didn't, but I thought it looked cooler on my Black Dragon. But yeah, all in an effort for aerodynamics and cutting through the air a little bit better. But I'm literally trying to accessorize my bike to be unique to me. So with that being said, showing you a couple items that should be going on my ZX14. But yes, what you're gonna see here is a quick unboxing. I don't want to keep y'all here too long, but like I said, I went ahead and picked something up, and ta-da! Let's see what we have here. Alright, these look sexy. CNC cut, milled. So literally, this will kind of be how the H2 has it. I'm gonna put this as the replacement. Now, here's the thing. It also has a mirror for it. So in the times that you're not in SmackDown mode, you can flip these things up. This is for the ZX14R. Right? So yeah, I'm probably gonna play with it tonight. Do like a before and after. Right off the jump, I'm already liking it. So actually, it might help me with camera mounting. I could put like GoPro items in terms of like what you have here, the mounts and stuff. But it does look pretty cool. The profile looked better than I thought. But like I said, yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do a time lapse on it. I'll just do it before and after, but it does look cool. You know what I mean? I will always keep my OEM ones just as a for general purpose, but also like with here, you can actually flip these up. So when you're not racing or doing some stuff, Also, I am waiting for the blinkers, because these do come with turn blinkers. So yeah, I'm probably do this in parts, or however this goes up for edit. But yeah, I'll have blinkers right up in the front here. So I thought that'd be cool, you know. But yeah, I'll put them on. You can do with or without the blinkers. But yeah, I thought that for all the intended purpose, you know, Kawasaki, like with the H2, the SX, and all that, you know, they have those cool things, and I'm wishing, you know, they did that for the 14. If the rumored refresh does come out, I'm pretty sure it's gonna have all this stuff on there, and plus with the updated cluster and all that good stuff. Or to the AIM that did the plug and play cluster for the ZX10. ZX Predator is making a request. Do that for the 14. You know, that I think that would be really cool. But yeah, this is an unboxing of this winglet. Trying to get some aerodynamic stuff all in there, and more so just to make my bike look more unique than anything else. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I'll leave a link in the description below. Hopefully I don't forget to do that. But yeah, and these are for your blind spots, so if you want to stick that on there as well, you have that option to do that. But yeah, it's gonna be a nice before and after. So yeah, let's see where this goes, folks. So far, me and my brother-in-law are taking a look at this. It kind of looks okay. Lower profile. With this, I'm gonna also use a combination of my other mirrors, the Barton ones. So as of right now, it kind of looks cool, but just like a little progress thing. The bolts that were supplied are a little short. But we'll make it work. But like, this is kind of like a preview of what this the Black Dragon is gonna look like. So just a little intermission. All right, here's the old, here's the other one. Mishu, what do you think?
It looks amazing. It looks like you're in the future of design.
This one's smaller.
But
this one has a smaller profile. It looks like a nice little down cut. This one's bigger and it has some weight to it. But I think that with the winglet on the bottom is gonna look okay. But the problem that we're having now is the bolts that were supplied are not long enough. So I was able to fasten the bottom, but just for the intended purpose of the video, just wanted to show you that. And being that it's not bolted down, my brother-in-law was trying to turn it, but here's the mirror. You know what? That's not bad actually. That's still.
Damn, it's clear.
Yeah, and then you got the two little mirrors thing. That looks.
Oh, you know what I just figured out? When these, you see
further back.
These, I see myself further back, and these I see myself closer.
Oh, the close-up mirror. The close-up mirror.
I don't know how to call that, but.
And this, you can actually turn it down and adjust it a little bit. So like I've seen. So like it can turn that way.
Oh, that's when you're gonna. It will compensate when you like this. Vous faites comme ça en bas.
Yeah.
Là pour être bien pas derrière.
Yeah, that's. I guess that's what it's made for. You got the hinge over here.
Yeah. You know why they make it like this? Because you just want to see the car.
But I'm gonna have also extra over here. Matter of fact, that'll be, I guess, when I do the final wrap up. But I just wanted to show you what it looks like. But yeah, you just turn it. It looks cool. I like it. You know, the dual purpose, cutting through that wind, less of wind resistance. Now also with my Fusion, I'm gonna get the mount where I can turn it to the side so that it's not getting the wind smacking up against it, you know. So like I said, I'll probably put a GoPro mount here and see how that works out. But my brother-in-law likes it, I like it, you know. I guess off camera we'll get this thing, you know, completed. And then, like I said, the lights will go in here, and I can feed it down into the turn signal, and I'll have integrated lights. So like I said, I'll have some information below. Any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. I'm gonna actually try to get some black Allen bolts for that, and see what I have in the garage. But you know, let's do a poll. You know, do you like the OEM? What about these? You know, I actually have the block offs for the track, so like instead of taping that up, I just take the whole assembly off. You know, so, and then for the track, I can take these bar end mirror adapters off, or just take, you know, pull it off and then just go from there. I guess once everything is set, we go to Lowe's or Home Depot, and we'll go from there. But all right, folks, my brother-in-law and I just got it done. It's different, very different. I put the bar end mirrors in for when I wanted to, you know, keep this. You know, it kind of has that Knight Rider futuristic look to it, but you know, I'm a big advocate of having, you know, visibility everywhere. So I'm gonna have those angled in such a way where I can see further behind me. And then the added benefit is now I could use this, flip it up, and you know, it's gonna look like discotheque over here, but I mean, you could quad mirrors or whatever, you know, that good stuff. That's when I'm just cruising and chilling and all that good stuff. But you know, just for that whole stealth bomber, you know, look to it. Hey, I want it to be a unique 14. I don't want anybody else to have any thing with it. But again, it's accessories. Like, it's, you know, I can just put my OEM ones on or whatever and all that good stuff. But I think it looks cool. I'm gonna test ride it, see how I feel about it. If I'm not too comfortable, it'll probably just be for occasions. But you know what those occasions are for, because those are purpose driven. You know, so if I need to, you know, drop a little weight, cut some wind and all that, just like with the winglets down there. You know, 14's gonna have it, but I'm prepping for something bigger. So like I said, something's on the horizon. Working on it. You won't know until you see it, but it's gonna be cool. So that concludes this video. I want to thank my brother-in-law for handling the camera, and with that, happy holidays, by the way. You know, we just had Thanksgiving and all that, and tomorrow we're going into December. So part 1 of this, you'll see in a separate video for the integrated lights, and then we'll take it from there. The man the zx14r. I'll see y'all later. Peace. That's no lie. No lie. Like a damn fighter jet, man.
Looks like something in Avatar in the future.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So far, so good. See, you can actually see in the rear with that.
Yeah.
So, yeah, extra parts. Just some extra footage at the end. My monster will see you on the streets. See y'all later. watching. That has been the unboxing for the mirror winglets that you could get on eBay and Amazon. You know, so be a disclaimer: be careful that you don't pay the 1,000 and something. They're only like 120 for the pair. You know, so yeah, get the lights and the winglets separate. You know, and then you'll see. But yeah, the bike is coming along, and then like I said, the bigger project is coming later. So I gotta keep that on the hush hush. So this is the ZX Predator, and also hit another pothole, and this one is bad. And it's a good thing that we're not riding right now. And I want to give a shout out to Iron Will, who is going to be helping me big time with switching these out. You know, so it was just an unfortunate circumstance where I, freaking popped the rim again. Whew, it's just my luck. So rate, comment, subscribe. Make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified of all my new content. And then, share it with your friends, your buddies. ZX14 centric channel. Now with my brother-in-law's Honda. We're going to be doing, a little more broad stuff. So we'll see y'all later.